Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on your Goldilocks human hair wig. So I'm going to show you how easy it is now. This is one of our Goldilocks human hair wigs. Lace top, super comfortable cap, so all you do is pull on and go. You don't need glue and you don't need adhesive. So first you're going to take your wig, holding the lace front area, and place that against your forehead. Dive into the wig. It's going to look a bit weird, and then you're going to pull it up to where you like the hairline to sit. If you don't have hair, the general rule is it's 4 fingers above where your eyebrows should be. That's about where a hairline should sit. You're going to take the 2 ear tabs. These are the little hard bits on just above your ears, and you're just going to make sure that those are parallel. That way you know the wig is on straight. All the wigs can be parted anywhere on top, so this one has a left part. So when you put the ear tabs parallel, you know that the part is in the correct place. You tuck behind the ears, and that's it. That's how easy they are to pull on. So when you finish putting your makeup on, your clothes on, you just pull them on and you're out the door. No need to glue them, no need to stick them down. All of those videos you see on YouTube or on Instagram with people gluing on wigs, Goldilocks wigs are glueless, so they literally pull on and go. So super easy, they look fabulous, really natural, and you saw how easy that was. It took me literally 2 seconds and my wig and my hair is done for the day. So I hope you found that video helpful. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget we have lots of helpful videos on our YouTube channel all about wigs and hair toppers, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, drop a comment below.